This video is to show you what comes in the package for the Automobile Jump Start 18,000 mAh car jumper. This is it right here. It does come in its own carry case. Before you use it, plug it in with the cable provided. It's got an inside plug cable right here in the box. It also has a charger that goes to your cigarette lighter, and it also comes with a USB Type-C cable for charging your accessories. The model of this is PB-C13. I'd like to show you some of the features on how this is used. So the way this is used is it does come with the jumper cables. So if you have a bad battery, you can easily jump your own car without calling for help. So what you do is you open up this port right here. You open up this port right here. Not sure if you can see it. Right here where it says car jumper, adapter for cable. So you simply plug this end into there. And then you take these two ends and you plug it into your positive and your negative battery, and then you turn it on. You turn this on under your hood, and then you come over into your car, and then you turn the key until it starts. So that's one thing that it does. The other thing that this does is it does come with a charging cable where you have the ability to charge your accessories. So you simply just, and you can see it's charging there. I'm at 35%, and we do have full battery power right there. So this also is supplied with a flashlight. To turn the flashlight on, you just hold the power button down, and now we're at 36%, so it does charge fairly quick. So the other thing that this has is, like I said, it comes with its own carry case, and it does zipper up. So everything fits nicely in here. So again, that's the AUKEY car jumper system. Model PB-C13. It's got the strobe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice night.